Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make text sound professional in Google Sheets using AI. To do this, you first need to add an extension. To install, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then, from the drop-down, click on Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window. In the search bar at the top right, type GPT for Sheets and press Enter. From the search results, install this. In this tutorial, I already have it installed, but on your end, there is an Install button at the bottom right part. Click this and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. Once it's installed, you can open it by going back to the Extensions menu at the top. Hover over the extension you will use, then click Open. To make text sound professional, we will use the GPT Edit function. For this example, we will use sample customer feedback and make them sound professional. First, click on the cell where you want to put the edited text, then type this formula. =GPT_edit, open a round bracket, then click the cell containing the feedback you want to edit, type comma, double quotation marks, then type make it sound professional, which is the prompt that we want the extension to do, type double quotation marks, then type close round bracket. Press Enter and after a few moments, the extension will make the text sound professional. I will not do this for the rest of the data because it takes up some loading time, but if you want to apply this for all the data, click the cell with the formula and hover over the bottom right corner of the cell where you see a small blue circle until your cursor transforms into crosshairs. Click the circle and drag down. Google Sheets will copy the formula until you stop dragging, and the results will show in the respective cells. So, that is how you make text sound professional in Google Sheets using AI. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.